We're learning after the conclusion of the Jantar Mantar protests, families of 4 injured police have now moved the Supreme Court over the attack on policemen. Please seek punishment for those involved and guidelines to protect those in uniform. Sambhav Sharma continues to be with us. Sambhav, cops' families have also moved the Supreme Court now?
Well, absolutely. Both sides. The cops families on one hand have moved the Supreme Court seeking an independent probe into the protesters who used violence during the protest. This is what the major allegation is. And on the other hand, the police excesses is what many of the petitioners who earlier moved the Supreme Court, and because see, this is holistic approach in a way the top court has taken. See, law cannot be taken for granted, and rule of law must prevail is what the top court has said, and asked our different states for a status report. Once they file the status report, things will be more clear as to how this violence happened and what police excesses, what is being alleged from both the sides, not just from the protester, but police's angle also is important, because we saw those visuals from Jantar Mantar where police personnel were injured during the protest, which has turned violent for some time, but it has turned violent. So there are CCTV footages, there are videography done of that area. So all these all the videography and the CCTV camera footage will be submitted to the Supreme Court. Supreme Court has asked to submit everything, and then Supreme Court will decide as to what is to be done, whether there's a need for an independent fresh probe into the case, because Supreme Court has hinted that it could come up with a high power committee, but it is to be seen who is going to be the member of the committee, who is going to head that committee. All these are the questions which will be clear. Next hearing, that is on Monday, which is going to be crucial. As of now, CJP has also welcomed Supreme Court today's order of seeking clarification from different chief secretaries, and also very clearly saying that students who are below 18 years of age, no FIRs, no criminal action should be taken against those students. But on the other hand, this is equally important that if a protester resorted to violence during the protest, see, peaceful protest is a democratic right. Yesterday, the Supreme Court has said this. But
yes.
On the other hand, yes.
Okay, more breaking news also coming in now. The Aircraft Accident Investigation Bureau has told the